Girls, Mr. Anderson here, giving you the video guide instruction that you may need to get through these lessons at code.org. We're going to start with lesson 1. This is a really easy lesson. I'm going to show you step by step how to get through this. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning, from back at our dashboard. Okay, the first thing you need to do when you get to code.org is you need to sign in. So for example, you come to code.org and you're signed out, right? First thing you have to do is up in the upper right hand corner, you have to sign in, right? We all know that. Then we sign in with Google, and then we accept the permissions. You know, we sign in with our Google account right there. And hang on, I'm going to change my mouse to the focus, and then we're going to go down here and click allow, right? Then it's going to sign us in. Now, if it's the first time you're doing it, you're going to want to make sure that you click on CSD Unit 3, Interactive Animations and Games. But if you've already done that, if you've already started, then you click on Continue Lesson. So let's just go to Unit 3, Interactive Animations and Games. We're going to start on Lesson 1, okay? So we're going to start on Lesson 1, Bubble 3, right there. Hang on, it's still loading. There we go. Lesson 1, Bubble 3, right there. Lesson 1, Bubble 3. That's where we're starting. This is actually pretty simple. All this is, by the way, this is the game lab. Okay, this whole thing is a game lab. Here's our display area, and you can see that as I hover my mouse in the display area, it always gives me the X and Y coordinates of exactly where I am in the grid. The maximum is basically 400, 400 down here in the corner. Okay, and the minimum is up in the left corner, which is at, if you look at the numbers, they're at 0, basically 0, 0. Okay. Okay, so this one, you read the directions right here. It says click run to start the program, then use the stamp pad to draw pictures. Okay, so you click run, the stamp pad shows up, you click on the animal you want, you start pressing your mouse. Change the animal, make more pictures, click on a shape, make some shapes. Okay, this is not going to hold your interest for too long. It's just to show you that simple animations are possible with code.org. So cool, have fun with that. When you're done, click finish. This is always very important. Click finish, then click continue. And then it will take you, you'll see at the top, it will take you from bubble 3 to bubble 4. You're still in lesson 1, right? See that at the top, but now you're in bubble 4, and bubble 3 now has a green, it's green. Now all mine are green because I've already done all of them, but if this is the first time you're going through it, bubbles 5 and 6 would still be clear, but bubble 3 would be green, and then you'd be working on bubble 4. So this one says animated comics. Combining images, text, and information and some subtle animation can make for really interesting comics. Okay, so click run. It's just a joke. What kind of music do planets sing? Neptunes, ha ha ha. You notice the aliens are moving slightly, and that's all from the code. We're not looking at the code yet. We're just looking at sample projects that, you know, we'll be able to create backgrounds with color and shapes and characters with text and movement ourselves a little bit later in this project. So when you're done with that, click finish and then click continue and go to the next one. Okay, this is bubble 5. This is Alien Jumper. It says press run to play the game on the left. Okay, it's a platformer game. It's very simple. You press the space bar to make him jump. You use the arrow keys to move him left and right. And you try and collect those stars. That's really all there is to it. You're just collecting stars and getting a point for each one. Okay, and sometimes he disappears. You got to bring him back up with the space bar. And you're just trying to get the high score you can. Okay, that's it. Play that for as long as you like. Come back as much as you like. Play, have fun. When you're done, click finish, click continue, go to the next game. The next game is called Hungry Bunny. Again, it says it's looking for mushrooms and carrots for dinner. To win, you need to find a dinner bowl, then collect at least 10 carrots and 5 mushrooms. So you click run, and then you can see it says press the space bar to start. Okay, so it's a jumping game. You guys know how to play these, so just have fun with this for a while. When you're done, you got it. Click finish, click continue, and go to the next lesson. By the way, you can skip lesson 2. You can skip lesson 2. Yay. Okay, go to lesson 3, and I'll show you how to get through lesson 3 in the next video. Good job, boys and girls.